Hey guys, today we will be solving two sum problem, which is a very famous easy level question in Leetcode, and this is a part of our series mastering array series. So in this problem we have been given that an array integer nums and an integer target, we need to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. That means in our array there will be an answer, okay, and you may not use some element twice, okay. So let me take you to the whiteboard and explain the solution. Suppose we have been given an array nums equals to 2, 7, 11 and 15. As array indices starts with 0, so this is the 0th index, this is the first. If we add the value of index 0 and 1, which is 2 plus 7, we have been also given target equals to 9. It will sum up to 9. That means we need to return 0, 1. This is what we need to return. So we can utilize map, unordered map, to solve this problem. You can think of your approach. Let me just code what I'm trying to think, and we will take a dry run to understand the code in a better way. Suppose we have given a function vector integer comma target. Now we will declare unordered map of integer comma integer, because we will be storing the indexes as well, and we will declare a vector of result to store it. Now we will run a for loop and we will calculate the complement, which is target minus nums of I. Again, if we find that complement, if map dot find complement, what we will do, we will simply push back that into our result vector. First we will push back to the map, then result dot push back to I, then we will return the result. After that, we will store the current number and its index into the map nums of I equals to I. So this is done. This is the code. Now I will explain how the code works with a simple dry run. Suppose we have element as 2, 7, 11 and 15. This is our array. We will take a dry run. Initially the map is empty. We do not have anything in our map. We will enter into loop, and when I equals to 0, it will calculate the complement. So complement equals to 9, which is the target, minus 2 equals to 7, the first index. Now we will check if 7 is exist in our map in this step, but 7 is not exist in our map, so we will add 2 to the map with its index. Add 2 comma 0 in our map data structure. When I equals to 1, the nums of I will become 7, and we will again check the complement equals to 9 minus 7, which is equals to 2. So we finally found a solution because we already have 2 and 0 in our map. So we will return 0 comma 1. So the output will be indices 0 comma 1, because nums of 0 is 2 and nums of 1 equals to 7. So 2 plus 7 equals to 9. So we will return these two indices, 0 and 1. This is how the code works. One more thing, if the question may change that you can return true or false based on your checking. Here we are returning indices. The interviewer might ask, or the question may appear as returning true or false. In that case, what you can do is, there is another solution. Before that, the time complexity is order of n and the space is also order of n for this solution, which I just told you. After this, if the interviewer just wants you to return true or false based on the condition that the two sum can be possible within an array of 2, 7, 11 and 15, what you can do, you can first, suppose we have a function integer n comma a vector target. Now you will make a variable left equals to 0 and right equals to n minus 1. It will point to the last element. And first you will sort the array. Sort, suppose book is the name of the array, book comma book dot end. After the sorting, now the element will be sorted, and you will run a while loop while left is lesser than right, and inside this while loop you will write int sum equals to books of left plus book of right. If the sum is equals to target, which is your target, you will return yes or true. Else, if the sum is lesser than target, you will increase the left pointer, this is left, and you will decrease, else you will decrease the right pointer, and at the end return no if this is not possible. This time complexity will reduce. Time complexity will be order of n for the iteration plus order of n log n for sorting. This is for sorting and this is for iterating the whole array, and the space will also increase to order of 1. So I have told you two solutions for the same problem. You can use any one of them, whichever you like, based on your question. And let's just go to Leetcode and write the code. You can see I have written the code, whatever I have explained to you in the whiteboard. Now we will run the code, and yeah, all the test cases are passing, so this is done. The code is written in C++. You can change this map to hash map and write in the Java as well. There's no big dissimilarity in the code. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, and we will be solving more array based questions soon.